In a crowded market, Theo discovers his sneeze can nudge nearby clocks into perfect sync, turning chaos into a clockwork chorus. The origin tale follows a grandmother who sneezed during a power outage and somehow rewired Theo's sense of timing. He uses it to prevent missed buses, coordinate surprise parties, and even rescue a stalled elevator by timing the doors. Challenges include wearing a mask to avoid sneezes during concerts and learning, where precision becomes a social weapon. Now he teaches strangers to listen for tiny, shared tempos in daily life, turning ordinary moments into playful miracles.